you're gonna pick it up, right?
Pick it up.
Put the cap on it.
Okay.
You're gonna throw it.
Okay. Pick it up.
Yeah, you're gonna throw it.
Throw it. Nigga, nah.
You have at least
okay,
like
I'll
10
hold it.
seconds before it
hold
goes
I'll
off.
hold it with the cap on it.
Listen. Okay.
Oh, God.
Oh shit. Oh my god, he drops it on the table.
Alright, grab another one.
Jesus Christ.
I can be a regular pedestrian.
Move.
I got on my grind, ain't no more stress. Can we have a threesome with your best friend? She said they couldn't have no time to no left
And I'm the one fucking up.
Put the cap on.
Okay, I will. Watch out, Ralph. Go. You're gonna get smacked by a firecracker.
Oh my God.
Good luck. That's not even funny. Did you like that? No. Bruh.
Bitch.
This is the ugly man y'all are subscribed to. But no one wants you behind the camera. Well, everyone actually might want you behind the camera because you ugly as shit, so.
If
Barbershop.
pineapple was a human, it would literally look like you. If you went into an ugly people contest, you win first, second, and third place. This dude playing video games. Let's see what he got going on. Let's see what you're gonna do about it. Let's see what you're gonna do about it. You see them niggas over there? Dude, you are ass, bro. You are ass. You suck, dude. Oh my god. Where's your partner? Behind you, nigga! Behind you! Oh my god! You suck. Jeez. You guys suck.
Shut up, nigga.
Oh, okay. He got one kill.
Mother,
This nigga died in the air. In the air, bro.
Oh, he has my fucking glitch. You or growl. You a bitch.
Nigga. How many shots? He suck. Chris, you suck.
He's up.
Oh my god, bro. You fucking suck.
If you're gonna record, bruh, hush.
Yo fucking
Watch
suck.
this game then. Watch this game. All right.
No, we done. No, I'm not watching another game of you
Just watch
lose,
this
bro.
game,
No,
nigga.
let's go play.
I
Let's go play.
will.
The video games ain't for you, nigga. They
Yes,
not
they
for you.
are,
They
bro.
not for you. Let's go.
Nigga, hold on. Let's go to your KD.
What?
Barracks.
We ain't gotta talk
What?
about
What?
me.
We ain't gotta
Nigga,
talk about-
I don't even play that much, nigga.
.32.
.32. You know what that means? I'm hitting 32% of my shots.
No, that means for every 10 deaths, you're killing 3 people.
Nigga, at least I killed 3. Nigga, you killed 1. 1.
You have 28 kills and 88 deaths. I have 830 kills and 930
Cat,
deaths.
that don't sound nothing like me. Have Chris go downstairs. Oh, okay.
That's 2 kills for you.
Okay, I didn't get the first one. It was too bright.
There's 3 kills for you, nigga. Keep talking that shit. This that splash, nigga.
Oh, them niggas.
Oh my god. Oh, that scared the fuck out of me.
You guys are dating, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Do you guys have a? You guys have a celebrity pass? Like a celebrity, if you met, you would fuck and they wouldn't be mad.
No. No.
What? So if you met Zac Efron and you fucked him, you would break up with him?
Yeah. If he cheated, I wouldn't fuck Zac Efron. Cause if I fucked Zac Efron when we both got naked, I feel like I look like a sack of potatoes.
She's too shy.
She wants to feel a man slapping her.
All right. Well, I guess that's my cue to leave.
This light skin ass llama.
No. What about that?